Have you ever felt like you're being taken for a ride at the auto repair shop? You're not alone. Today, we're exposing the 13 sneakiest scams mechanics use to drain your wallet. From unnecessary repairs to overpriced services, we'll show you how to spot these tricks and protect yourself. Stick around because at the end of the video, I'll share one simple rule to make sure you never fall for these scams again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-saving tip. Let's dive into scam number one, the urgent fluid flush. Mechanics often push for fluid flushes way earlier than necessary, claiming your coolant or transmission fluid looks terrible and needs immediate attention. They might show you a dirty sample, but it could be from another car. The truth is, most fluids are designed to last between 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Always ask for proof, like a test strip or lab report, before agreeing to a flush. Don't let fear tactics drain your wallet. Next up is scam number two, the mystery check engine light. This little light can strike fear into any driver's heart, and mechanics know it. They might claim it's a serious issue that could cost thousands to fix, but often it's something minor like a loose gas cap. The solution? Buy a $20 OBD2 scanner, plug it into your car's port, and read the codes yourself. You might find it's a simple fix you can do on your own. Scam number three involves unnecessary air filter replacements. Mechanics love to pull out a filthy air filter and claim it's yours, saying it needs immediate replacement. But is it really? Most air filters last between 15,000 to 30,000 miles unless you're driving in extremely dusty conditions. Check the filter yourself and avoid falling for the swap scam. Take a photo of your filter before the inspection to catch them red-handed if they try to trick you. Scam number four is all about upselling synthetic oil. Mechanics might insist your car needs synthetic oil for better performance, but unless your owner's manual specifies it, conventional oil works just fine. Synthetic oil is great for high-performance engines or extreme temperatures, but it costs twice as much as conventional oil. Don't pay extra unless your car truly needs it. Check your oil cap or manual for the recommended oil type. Scam number five is the brake pad scare. Mechanics often exaggerate the wear on your brake pads, claiming they're dangerously thin and need immediate replacement. But brake pads don't need replacing until they're worn down to 3 mm thickness. Ask to see the measurement and trust your car's manual. Many cars have wear indicators that squeak when pads are low. Never let them fix brakes without your approval. Scam number six involves fake factory-only parts. Mechanics might claim you need OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts, so saying aftermarket parts will void your warranty. But that's a myth. Aftermarket parts perform just as well and are often 30 to 50% cheaper. Unless your warranty explicitly requires OEM parts, you're throwing money away. Always ask if there's a quality aftermarket option and check your warranty paperwork. Scam number seven is overcharging for simple fixes. Mechanics know most drivers won't bother to check how easy a repair is, so they charge excessive amounts for simple tasks like replacing a cabin air filter. What should be a $10 to $20 fix with a filter from an auto parts store becomes a $150 job at the shop. Do it yourself and save big. Search online for tutorials and see how easy it is to replace filters or wiper blades on your own. Scam number eight is the phantom repair. This scam involves charging you for a repair that never actually happened. You pay for a new fuel pump or transmission flush, only to discover later that the work was never done. Protect yourself by always asking to see the old parts they removed. No leftovers. Red flag. Request before and after photos of the repair. Any reputable shop will provide them. If they refuse, take your business elsewhere. Scam number nine is the "your warranty is voided" lie. Dealerships often claim that if you don't get your oil changed at their shop or use aftermarket parts, your warranty will be voided. But that's false. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. As long as the work is done properly and meets manufacturer standards, your warranty stays intact. Keep receipts and records of maintenance. If a dealer denies a warranty claim unfairly, file a complaint with the FTC. Scam number 10 involves blinker fluid and other fake products. Some shops still joke about blinker fluid or muffler bearings, but others take it further, selling fake or overpriced products to unsuspecting drivers. For example, premium windshield washer fluid that costs $50 for a gallon, claiming it has a special formula. In reality, it's the same fluid you can buy at any store. Always research products before buying. If it sounds too silly to be true, it probably is. Scam number 11 is the shock strut upsell. Mechanics might claim your shocks or struts are shot and need replacing just because your car hit a certain mileage. But that's not how it works. Shocks and struts don't wear out based on miles alone. They fail due to driving conditions like potholes or heavy loads. Test them yourself by pressing down firmly on each corner of your car. If it bounces more than twice after you let go, they might need attention. Otherwise, you're likely fine. Scam number 12 is inflated labor hours. Shops often charge based on book time, a standardized estimate of how long a repair should take. But experienced mechanics can do it faster, and you still pay the full amount. For example, replacing an alternator might have a book time of 2 hours, but a skilled mechanic could finish in one. Check labor rates online and get a written estimate. Dispute charges if the final bill exceeds it by more than 10%. Finally, scam number 13 is the free inspection trap. Shops lure you in with a free inspection only to hit you with a long list of urgent repairs. Free inspections often lead to unnecessary fixes, never approve repairs on the spot. Say you'll think about it and get a second opinion. A trustworthy mechanic will confirm if the work is truly needed. Don't fall for the limited time offer pressure. Take your time and do your research. And there you have it, 13 sneaky scams to watch out for. Remember, always get a second opinion and ask for proof. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.